So our project is a noise tracker, and basically it is a mobile Windows Phone mobile application. One of the problems of Dubrovnik is the noise, especially during the summertime in the old city, and we will try to make with our application to point out the problems of the noise. Basically, we're going to make some Windows Phone application, mobile application, using the mic of the phone to collect data about the noise. We are going to measure the noise in decibels, send that to the storage somewhere on the cloud, and make a web application to analyze that data and to show some locations on the map. They are the biggest problem in the Dubrovnik. The owners of the restaurant can use our application to keep it in the range of the law. We'll have people measuring noise in Los Angeles and in Paris, and you can compare it with the rest of the world.